Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 63. In 1858 was set up a Royal Commission on Popular Education in all the nation. Full stop. The commissioners, at their discretion, were to arrange examinations, to obtain information from every direction, to the exclusion of none, to call upon physician, musicians and educationalists of every class, to take depositions when necessary, and briefly, to review the general situation, so as to secure satisfaction, beyond all mere generalization, and show if there had been progression or retrogression. Full stop. The commissioner's work was sensational in the facts brought out. Full stop. There was ample justification for the commission, and the adoption of the commissioner's advice was followed by an alteration in the general scheme of national education. Full stop.